Every condo has a story. Now there's a place to keep it. Aina Protocol, the digital logbook for every condo in Hawaii.
The average condominium outlives its boards, managers, and vendors. Serving on an AOAO board is a fiduciary responsibility. You're not just managing today's issues, you're safeguarding a long-lived physical asset shared by hundreds of owners across decades. And yet, the most important asset you oversee, the building's history, is often the least protected. Every condominium generates a continuous stream of critical information. Maintenance records, capital projects, permits, inspections, warranties, contractor work, and board decisions. But that history is rarely treated as permanent. It lives in inboxes, portals, shared drives, and legacy systems, and fragments every time boards, managers, or vendors change. When institutional memory breaks, risk quietly compounds. This isn't an operational problem, it's a governance problem. Aina Protocol was built around a simple but fundamental insight. Condominium buildings need a permanent, authoritative system of record, independent of operators, that captures the full life cycle of the physical asset. Aina becomes the single source of truth for what work was done, when it was done, who performed it, how it was verified, and what remains unresolved. Well-documented buildings are easier to manage and better positioned to preserve and increase value over time. Aina Protocol protects more than records. It protects the long-term investment owners have entrusted to the board.